guys, first and foremost, I need to make sure you have the current app on your phone. So if you are with me on the call and you are an Android user, I need you to do the following thing. If you have not downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, I need you to do that right now. Meaning if you're currently using the app that we sent you about a week or two ago via a link, I need you to delete that app now and go to the Google Play Store and download the current app that's active. Number one, that's you for the Android users. For those who are currently on the call and are iPhone users, iOS, I need you to do the following. If you've not downloaded the app directly from the App Store in the last 3 days, you're using the test flight example of the app that we sent you a week or two ago, I need you to delete that now off of your phone, and I need you to download the most current app that's on the App Store. And when you do the search, whether you're inside of the App Store or whether you're searching via Google Play, I just need you to go ahead and type in the word StayCompass and download the app. So I can get you guys to do that right now, because one of the things that we're going to do in this presentation today is we're going to actually utilize the app, and I can show you how to use it, how to sell utilizing the app. Without the app on your phone, you can't do it. So if you're on this call and you're here to get some training on the StayCompass, I need you to have the app on your phone. So make sure you go and do that right now. And as you're doing that, we'll go and start covering some things. But when we're ready to actually address utilizing the app, you'll have the current app on your phone. So great. Also, too, if you guys are currently on this call and you're going to, at the end of this call, we're going to do some Q&A. And if you could, for me, just make sure you shoot those Q&A questions direct through the chat format, and then we'll be able to read those in real time, because a lot of the background noise that we most likely will have if everybody is live will be just too much. So the best way to communicate with us is just to say that. And with that in mind, I'll be able to see this too. If you can just let me know that you've gotten the app on your phone, that would be great as we go through the presentation today. So without further ado, guys, thanks again. I want to go and get started. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about today, guys, is I want to talk about, and you'll see this on your list, there's a variety of things on your list, but one of the things I want to share is the importance of understanding this is very important, as we have to build relationships to be able to sell the advertising no matter what we do. But one of the things regarding the properties, I need to have a relationship with the property to be able to sell the property. And so what I want you to do, if you've got a market that you're going to be going into and you're about to sell print, okay, I need you to let me know in advance where you're going to be heading to. I've got somebody to do that this morning for me, for example. All I need you to do, and you guys will get a $75 referral fee on the commission. Let's say you're going into a market and you have a market that you want to sell, and we don't currently do print. For a particular hotel in that market. You may have one hotel. I've had one this morning. It's just, he has a small project, but he noted a very, very nice hotel in that area. And he thought, man, Mark, if we could have that along with our print, it'd be great. Guys, I need you to do this. You need to be the eyes and the ears for us on the ground, because we physically are not there. But we can probably help you if you'll give us some advance warning. Okay, Mark, I'm going into Chicago. What I'd like to be able to do is get some properties or property on board, so when I get in and start selling my print, I can also go in and do a combo where I can sell my print ads, get my book built up. While doing my book, I can also start selling some digital, and then tie those two revenue streams together, maximizing your commissions and making more money for the company. I want you to be able to do that, and the way to help you do that and sign up those properties is I just need to know where you're at. Tell me where you're at, what market you're going into, what you're going to be doing in that market, how long you're going to be in that market. It's good for me to understand. So if you're going to be in a market, you've got it scheduled for a week or two, give me a notice as quick as possible, because I can usually turn it around within 3 days. Usually I can turn around the quickest I can do. So if I got some type of warning or a notice, I can help you try and get some properties on board. So once we've got properties on board, then we can begin to do the process of selling. Now you've got, with your opportunity, your advertising, you've got the ability to go in meet with these clients now. I won't go through rates here in a few seconds, but now you have the ability to go in, sell advertising with your print, sell advertising with your digital, and then you'll be able to maximize. Now, if you guys, I know a lot of you on this phone call, we're not able to get access to your files, okay, because we have done in the office, we've set up a folder file on Dropbox. If you've not been able to access that, you need to let us know, okay, because this is right now, this is the only way for us to send you files on a massive level. But these files are there. They're in a Dropbox. I know Kurt sent out a list last week. I shot out a link to you guys. If you've not been able to access those files, you can let me know privately later. We want to make sure you get these files. Some of these files, for example, the ad agreements, the hotel agreements, and some of the other documents will have been shipped to you already. You probably have some of those things now. But if you don't have those things, digital files that are available. It's important that you get access to that stuff. I haven't seen yet because you haven't accessed those files.